The Guide to Fleet Sales Tools on the Edge, How to Build an Email Template. Log into the Edge at www.theedgemarketing.co.uk. If you haven't registered yet, please contact theedge@thehubplus.com to request access. Click on the Go to Ad Builder button on the right-hand side of the homepage. Type Fleet Sales into the search bar in the top right-hand corner and select Email in the Media section. The template called Fleet Sales Template Q3 Fleet 13 EM will come up. Click on Create. The template will then appear on your screen. You can view the template better by clicking on the buttons on the right, or you can start building the template by clicking on the 11 blue workflows on the left-hand side. Click on the first blue section to select your image. Once chosen, press Select at the bottom of the screen. Each of the sections or workflows will require you to populate relevant parts of your email with your details and information, such as selecting an image, writing the main text copy of your email message, or adding a link. For example, select Headline Workflow on the left-hand side. A window with all the headline options will appear. Choose the headline you would prefer to use and click Select. The buttons left, central and right are there to make sure the recipient of your email interacts with it. You will need to place a relevant URL link behind each of these buttons by clicking the Link tab and populating the URL link box with your desired URL. Make sure you test your link by clicking the Test button. Once all the workflows are grey rather than blue, it means that all sections have been populated correctly. You can then save the template for later, in My Builds, or test it to yourself to check that everything is working correctly. You can do this at any stage whilst working by clicking the Test button. Once you're ready to send your email out, please click on Send. You will have to populate the subject line, the date on which you'd like the email to be sent, and the addresses. At the bottom of the screen on the Participating Retailers section, please make sure you select Upload Your Own Data and Send via Campaign Builder as a send method. Tick the box at the bottom and hit the Send button. This will take you through to Campaign Builder, where you will need to upload a CSV file. An example CSV file for uploading data can be downloaded from the Edge. Please make sure to integrate for each account the title, forename, surname, first line of address, the email address, and the telephone number. Once uploaded, check that your lines of data are correct. If not, an error button will appear. In this instance, tick the EXC tick box to remove the incorrect data. Once you're happy with your data, tick the permission box on the bottom left of the screen and press Submit for dedupe. This is an overnight process, and you will be notified by email the following morning when this is complete. The next day you'll receive an email notification that your data has completed the overnight dedupe. You will then need to revisit the Campaign Builder job to approve your data and deploy your email, which you can do by logging back into the Edge and clicking on My Jobs. In My Jobs, click on the job number and job title of the email you were working on, and you will be taken to the job summary. Once there, click on the Campaign Builder button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you back to the campaign data screen in Campaign Builder. The number under the uploaded header will have updated to show your deduped uploaded data. Once you have entered the numbers of recipients in the boxes underneath, tick the Approve box and then click the Approve button. Please note that the Save WIP button saves only the data you have selected. If you need to return to approve it later, it doesn't save the job. Your email will then be broadcast on the day you have chosen at 11 AM. Please note that there is no longer a weekend send.